In design, it's a minimalist masterpiece with geeky ambition. The all-metal body, sleek and interference-resistant, is a fortress for precise power delivery. Knobs and display, intuitively laid out, no manual needed. That's Luowei's take on effortless operation. With intelligent dual modes, CV constant voltage, red indicator, 30 volts range, and CC constant current, blue indicator, the constant voltage mode is equipped with short circuit protection, and the constant current mode can accurately detect heating issues. Supports free switching between 110 volts and 220 volts voltage modes, compatible with power scenarios in different regions.